Hey everybody, so our next task here is to clean our exhaust fan here in the bathroom. So you're gonna need a step stool or a ladder.
And a paper towel with some water.
And also you're gonna wanna make sure that the breaker or the switch is shut off. That way you're not zapping yourself when you get up there and change it. So a lot of them have these little wire clips in here. So you just wanna make sure, be careful, because you don't wanna break that and have to replace it. And then you wanna clean that for me.
You wipe that down.
And I will wipe the fan. You want to make sure you get up into the blades here and wipe each blade off, and maybe the motor as well while you're up in here.
You really also want to make sure that it dries completely before you put it back up there, because if it's not, you could just add to the moisture and dirt buildup. So here's your clean vent.
Thank you. We got the fans cleaned, the motor wiped up a little, and also we'll put the cover back on and the breaker back on. We can go ahead and test it, and then we'll turn it back on to make sure it works. Nice.